Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Julie Familagao, 45 years old, single. I am the eldest among the three siblings. I've got two brothers. I work as in Singapore as domestic helper since December 14, 27, 2007 to May 24, 2011. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, car washing, take care of dogs, take care of one-year-old girl, take care of 10-year-old girl and 12. Then the husband and wife, and also take care of the elderly. Ama is 65, akong is 70, is a paralyzed person. If you hire me, ma'am, I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible. I want to work in Hong Kong as long as you want me, and I'll do my best just to hire me. Please, ma'am, hire me. Good day.